All right, we're going to kick off our birthday list this morning with Case Monty from Hepler, Kansas. Case is celebrating birthday number 3 this morning.
So is Case High School. He's one of the twins there from Stockton, celebrating a birthday this weekend. We'll certainly love from Granny and Papa.
All right, and if you got Case, you got Griffin as well, of course. All right, a lot of 3-year-olds. All right, happy birthday to the high schools and Case Monty.
All right, out of Frontenac, Kansas, Jordan RATTERREE, turning 4 this year. Happy birthday, Jordan.
Oh, cute picture there.
Yeah.
And let's see, we've got CARLEY BROKOB celebrating birthday number 8 this year. CARLEY is in Girard, Kansas.
Out of Farlington, Kansas, we want to wish a happy night to MILAN SCHUPBACH. Hopefully I got the last name right, but happy birthday to you nonetheless.
Yes, you did. And we've got a 25th birthday announcement going out to MIRIAH NOEL SCHELL in Fairview, Missouri. This comes with love from your husband, daughter, and mother-in-law.
All right, we move on to Megan Singleton. She's turning 36 out of Pittsburgh, and if you happen to catch her at the Cafe Del Rio, give her a shout out as well.
All right. Happy birthday, Megan. She used to be my neighbor.
Oh, wow.
Happy birthday. JD BEISLY celebrating birthday number 39. What a catch in that picture there. All right, JD is in Altoona.
That's certainly a lot better than I'll ever do. We head to Oswego now with love from the whole family. Happy birthday to Mike Zwalen, turning 66 this year.
I'm guessing he's with all the grandkids. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right, Vicky Carlinger turning 71 years old this year. That'd be Vicky on the left. In case you're wondering, Vicky is in Pittsburgh.
And don't forget about Sherry Schofield out of Miami. She's also turning 71 years young this year. Happy birthday, Miss Sherry.
All right, in Oswego, Kansas, it's time to celebrate for Tom Hayward, who's now 78 years old in Oswego.
We continue on to Parsons. Young Josie Hayward, 17 this year. That's the word I'm looking for. But not only that, that's Tom's granddaughter.
All right, so we got Tom and Josie. And Pam GUARDADO is celebrating a birthday in Columbus. Happy birthday, Pam.
Also to Dennis Woodward out of Pittsburgh, Kansas. Another candle on the cake this year. Happy birthday, Dennis.
All right, and we've got Lucille JANSSEN in Parsons. Happy birthday. Oh,
indeed,
she's
happy
got a lot of
birthday,
strawberries there in her dessert. That looks so yummy. Happy birthday, Lucille.
Absolutely.
Enjoy.
We have our we have our anniversary first one on the list, Trevor and KYLEE Johnson. We want to wish you a happy first out of Columbus.
All right, I like that. And the Hustons are celebrating their 48th anniversary. They're in Girard. Congrats going out to Bill and Janet.
And out of Erie, Kansas, 56 years together for John and Susan Graham. John and Susan Graham, there they are, and quite a family that those two have managed to pull together. And that's, believe it or not, that's only part of their family. But nonetheless, happy anniversary to you two.
Still impressive picture there. And our very own Sean Gordon, one of our Nightside NAs. Do not lose your head, please. We need your services. We appreciate all our NAs. Sean, happy birthday!
And also to Brett Knight, one of our engineers and IT assistants. Always catch them during the day. I was happy to see him too. Happy birthday, Brett.
And our very own
Vance.
promotions manager, Vance Lewis, out in the Feed the Fort States there. A little shout out. And KOM Toy Box. I love that picture.
And of course,
right.
the Feed the Four States campaign as well. All worthy causes we're always happy to do each year.
Happy birthday, Vance. Hope you have a great day today.
All right, we are moving on now. Georgia Harris out of Erie, turning 15, and a happy special birthday wish from Grandma Clara. Steve Basinger out of Webb City, turning 54 this year. We've got Trinity Lay out of Galena. Her birthday was announced a little early on Tuesday, but still, happy 17th to you, Trinity, and to Pequot, Kansas, Dwayne Reno. Happy 81st to you. And that does it for birthdays this morning, but don't forget, if you've got a birthday or anniversary shout out you want on the air, send it our way. Birthdays at KYMTV.com or birthdays at KYMNewsNow.com.
That's right. You can be a part of the KYM Birthday Club by going to our website. All you have to do is go to kymnewsnow.com and sign up for the KYM Birthday Club, and you'll get signed up for deals from local businesses. We take this time to honor